All right. Welcome to Holiday Motors again. This is Chad Henry, and today we've got this beautiful 2017 Subaru Crosstrek Limited all-wheel drive that we just traded in. This is a local one-owner car with just 18,000 miles on it, I believe. Yeah, 18,306. This car was actually traded in on a Subaru WRX STI that we had. So, you know, this guy went from a real clean multi-use vehicle to a little hot rod, but stayed in the Subaru family. And this is one beautiful color. This bright blue is absolutely gorgeous. Wheels and tires are all in really good shape. Still with the Yokohamas. As you can see, the body is in perfect condition. The paint is in perfect condition. This does have a sunroof. This is a very, very well equipped car. It does have the blind spot monitors in your mirror here. There we go, you can see it there with the heated mirrors. This does have the leather interior. As you can see, power windows and locks and mirrors. As well as the heated leather seats. And a really cool touch is the orange stitching that they did. It looks really good with this blue, I think. And it flows along with the steering wheel and your shifter boot as well. This car does have Bluetooth. It does have AM/FM and also satellite, and as you can see here, the navigation system, backup camera. All the books are still here in the box. Just a super clean car. Another perfect example of a great one-owner vehicle. You know, the number of owners doesn't always make a difference to me, as it should on how a vehicle is taken care of, and this is just a good example of how a vehicle should be taken care of, and it happens to be a one owner. Nice and roomy back seat. Nice armrest there, cup holders, lots of headroom. And it does have a lot of cargo space in the back of it too. It still has the cargo area cover there. And of course those seats do fold down if you need that kind of cargo space. Obviously nice and easy. And that this cover does come completely out. But just to give you an idea of the cargo space there, pretty large area. But anyhow, beautiful car, and it's going to be priced right. So give us a call today. It's not going to stick around here long. Fortunately, like most of the inventory that we have, we are here located physically on 3203 Victor Boulevard in Portsmouth. Have been right here since 1974, getting ready to hit 46 years. You can check it out online at www.holidaymotors.com. We've got a lot of great financing options. We've got some good shipping options available as well, if we can help you with that. So give us a call. You can call or text us directly, 757-487-7333. Come see us in person, 3203 Victor Boulevard, Portsmouth, Virginia. And as always, thanks for watching.